Jo, Marjeline. Happy daghan. So 20 minutes na ibutang sa now. 20. Ay, daghan, di ako nabutang, oh. Pila ta ka buok?
Wa masikuha yan. 3, 4.
Dana lang na. Mo din ay kumakitaan sa mga salida. Nga ni color. Mga Amerikano ba? Nga ni ditong kulura ako nakitaan. Greenish na gray. Amazing. Daghan ra kay ko nabutang.
Next step.
Oh, usa na lang ka scoop sunod. Di pa ta kay bawagod sa namo burot dai siya di ay. Dari Marge. Daghan kayo.
Ang yan ay nagkumain mo ito.
So. Na, tanawa. Daghan kayo. Okay, na. Pero may man ko na-break ganina sa LTO. So, nagka-shop-shop ako, charing. Swipe na dash. Nagapalit ko plansya. May lista na to tong plansya na paig. Korean. Sure. Okay ani oy. So we'll put this for 20 minutes. Oh, sakto alas 6. It's still 5:20, so mga 6 PM ato ni siya i-remove. And we'll see what the effect is. First timer here. Hey guys, so update. Muna ko nang after 20 minutes. I think baga na kaya ko nabutang, pero namo to indicate ganina na kailangan siya bag-on. First few seconds, I felt na medyo nihalang siya, maybe because of the vinegar na nabutang sa naong. Nag-dry up na ang duol sa mouth because I keep on smiling and talking. May crack na siya. But if you can see, there are shiny parts pa sa akong face. Those are still wet. So, I decided to extend a bit more because for sensitive skin, 10 to 15 minutes lang siya dapat sa naong. And if if normal skin, it's 15 to 20. So, normal skin lang man ko. I'm not that sensitive. So, I'll give it a go. I'll have this on for 30 minutes. And we'll see the effect. I have 2 pimples here on my cheek and on my forehead. Pero tanaw na to if makalimpyo ba gyud siya pores, because one of my main concerns is kanang blackheads sa akong ilong. So tanaw na to if okay. Tanaw na to if okay ra ba siya after. So laban lang. So guys, lulu. Na-shock ko guys, nagpintik-pintik akong nose. I felt something on my nose. But you can see it more, wala man, but I can feel it. Mo siya magpitik-pitik. Oh, I can feel it now. It's so weird. There is akong nose area. Tinuod sa diin na mo pitik siya guys. So let me grab that bottle of, so this is what I'm using. This is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing, 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. This can be used for facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, and chilled clay for knee packs. So enjoy the benefits of clay in your own home, beautify and refresh. So you will feel, na diri iyang gi-red jud kanina part. Feel your face pulsate, and that's what I'm feeling right now on my nose. Sige siya pitik. In order to remove this after 30 minutes, as I said a while ago, 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin or sensitive skin, 15 to 20 for normal, but I'll go for 30 minutes. Kay gahi ako nang charing. So, you will feel a pulling and tightening sensation, which I already feel right now because you can see nag-crack na ang akong mask sa face. This removes impurities and dirt from the pores. Deep pore cleansing. 1 pound of clay makes 10 to 15 facials. Kani ato na palit is hula-hula size. Yeah, 1 pound. This is 1 pound. I bought this from Watson's 300 kapin. I don't have the receipt, but I'll include it in the description how much it really costs. So you need to buy also apple cider vinegar, which I asked Marge to buy from Metro. Wala sila atong akong gusto na brand, but this will still work because it's the raw, unpasteurized with the mother apple cider vinegar. So you mix this equal parts with the clay. You haven't seen what's inside? Okay, fine. I'll show you. Mura kong nag-istorya, no? Na nagpitik-pitik na po ang akong ilong. Wait sa guys, ibutang sa tamo. Alright, so this is how it looks like inside. This is how it looks like inside. It's powdery, grayish, and if you mix it with the vinegar, it turns to greenish gray. So muna ako naong ron, mura kog si Frankenstein. But anyway, if you want to purchase this, it's available in Watson's. I'm not sure wherever. I'm not sure what stores are. I don't know where else you can buy this, but I'm pretty sure beauty stores are selling this. And of course, the apple cider vinegar, you can find that in the groceries. That's also 300 plus. I bought 16 fluid ounce. 473 ml ang magipalit. So, ubay-ubay. We'll see if na improvement after 1 month ang akong face, but I will also be giving my review after this first time, right? See you later!